Namaste. Trust that all of you and your family are keeping safe by the grace of God. I'm delighted and thankful that I am given the opportunity to share our digital experience with other schools. The one biggest thing that the COVID pandemic has made us all to realize is that we are all interconnected. We are all facing the same problems across the world. Education is one of the most badly affected fields due to the pandemic. However, the old normal practice of education is being recreated by the new paradigm of learnings. We all had to reimagine education in these challenging times, which opens to new possibilities. Although COVID badly interfered with the students happily attending school, it has not been able to prevent all of us, teachers and students, to get connected in the continuing learning experience. We had a head start in mid-March itself when schools were declared closed due to the pandemic. Initially, we proceeded with what was then digitally available and continued classes online till end April using Zoom. But it was not until we subscribed to Office 365 for using MS Teams interface at end May that we could satisfactorily conduct classes from June for all students. Adapting to new situations is the key to success, and that is exactly what our entire team of teachers took upon themselves to do. Learning was forced to be extended beyond the walls of the classroom. What we have been doing and professing all along, that learning has to be experiential and step out from the textbook into life, was made possible through technology. In spite of all the challenges involved in this new medium of interaction with the students, all our teachers shouldered responsibility to make the experience as joyous and stimulating for the children as possible. With the vast array of tools made available by Office 365, Tech Avant-Garde team made the teaching learning experience lively and experiential through the digital process. Despite the constraints, our school was committed to make the best use of this situation by adapting and reframing education, which can reach the home of every student. Our priority was to provide ongoing learning for all our students in all areas that they were involved at school. Thus, all our teachers readily accepted to upgrade their IT skills to meet the challenges. They have all been trained in Office 365. This made them proficient in conducting online classes using the best tools in technology. They now appropriately design their lesson plans to drive the virtual classroom setup. Students were ready for this digital transformation as it is something more natural and familiar to them. Also, this experience will only enhance their readiness to face the digital world in the future. The online model of education posed challenges to some parents, but the 21st century learning zone for one and all is the use of technology. Hence, it is an opportunity for us all to adapt to it. Also, it made our connect with the parents more intimate than before. We addressed personally and together all various challenges that they had to face in this regard, such as having two children to share the mobile or the computer, issues of KG children, both working parents. We provided the recording facility to ease these problems. We were all together in making sure that learning doesn't stop for any of us. The means changed, but not the experience. To me personally, it has been an exciting learning experience to be walking along and sharing a common space with my teachers and students. All this would not have been possible but for the committed and constant help and guidance by our school IT coordinators to the teachers, students and parents. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Ali and his team for providing effectively a platform for all of us to carry forward the much needed, timely and effective shift to virtual teaching, learning during the pandemic. Knowledge Lavani, a forum for sharing online pedagogy by Tech Avant-Garde using Microsoft Interface, gave our teachers the opportunity to share their unique practices with other teachers from various schools. They are now confident and tech-driven in using technology and feel proud to be MIE certified. It was a special privilege to be part of the best learning community. Working in a carte blanche school makes us feel empowered and enabled to take on the future equipped with the 21st century skills. Indeed, it has been a wonderful learning experience. Having shared the positives of the digital transformation at hand and how it enables ongoing learning, we at school are looking forward to the day when we can step out of the virtual classroom to meet all our dear children in person. Thank you for your patient listening. Jai Bharat.
Namaste. This pandemic taught us many things. Conducting examination online is one among them. This online examination system helped us to simplify the exam administration. Students could write the exams test from any location. Various techniques had to be used to evaluate their understanding of the subject. Conducting of online exams regulated both the exam pattern and the conducting of exams. Questions based on understanding, reasoning, analysis and applications using pictures, graphs, data table could easily be incorporated by teachers during this online exam. Teachers could handle audio-video clips with ease for oral tests. It gave them scope to improve the critical thinking of students by setting various new kinds of question papers, including fill in the blanks, match the following, multiple select questions, paragraph-based questions, etc. After the students wrote the exams, they uploaded the photographs of the papers within the limited time mentioned. Teachers could provide valuable feedback to their students verbally or in writing by exporting the individualized results in PDF. Misconceptions and learning gaps could quickly be identified and addressed. Students uploaded their projects and experiments for evaluation of internal marks. Seniors could successfully conduct online CS program Sahaya Mitrulu for our school's helping staff. Parents too did their bit by becoming our partner during online exams. While writing exams, the technical glitches were resolved immediately by our efficient IT team. Thank you for giving the opportunity to share our experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Asra Afrin. I am working at Sri Aurobindo International School as a facilitator for science in middle school. Within no time, we moved from a real to a virtual world of learning. Digitization of the classroom was challenging, but at the same time, it was amazing. It was like learning something new every day. With digitization, learning is no longer confined to a traditional classroom setup. Digitization in education has made learning limitless, not only for the learners but also for the facilitators. The major challenges in an online class is to engage the learner sitting in their comfortable zones. For that, strategic use of a variety of tools which help me to engage the children with multiple learning styles. Digitization made my sessions more interactive, innovative, and joyful. Learners were able to access a variety of resources. It was easy for me to share the content with the kids. It also provided me with a variety of assessment tools. I think it is going to be a great going. I'd like to thank Microsoft to be a trustworthy partner during this digital transformation. Thank you.